Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. And today it is the next part of notice. In my previous lecture, I shared with you two notice and format to write this. And I hope you all have written what I told you. And here we are going to discuss about the next two notices. Here is two examples we just have to talk. First is about water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, that is 10 am to 6 pm on 6th of March for cleaning of the water tank. As you can just observe now only that what's the reason for this, that is cleaning work will be there. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar, Karuna Bajaj Secretary, Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnool. And here is the solution of the same notice. Like we just have to write the name of the organization that I have written, and after that, like, name of the organization is what is Janta Group Housing Society Palam and Bihar Kurnool. Okay, and in the next line what I have written, notice yani ki word notice. After that, what is there, the date, that is March 1 2000 this, and here is the topic, that is attention. Okay, mean to say an information. This notice is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. For how much hours? 8 hours. It is being done to clean the water tank. What's the reason for this? Because cleaning of the water tank will be there. The details are as follows. First is the date, then time, and here is thus we request you to store the required amount of water beforehand to minimize the difficulty. Thank you, Karan Kumar, Karuna Bajaj, signature and secretary. What is the, yes, you can say the what is the post of that person. Okay, and here is the next one. The some important things are there ki how the marking scheme will be there. Okay, what is the suggested value points for that, ki what, yani ki suspension of water supply for 8 hours, when, 6th March 10 am to 6 pm, where, in the society, reason for cut, cleaning the water tank, steps to be taken, store water, or any other relevant details. My dear student, you all just have to write these things also. Okay, for example, if you will get anything, any notice related to it, so you can just follow these value points. Okay, my dear student, and here is the next, that is the next is, while walking in the park in your neighborhood, you found a small plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. Write a notice in about 50 words to be put on the park notice board asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. Okay, you are Amar Amrita, your phone number is this. And here I have done the solution of the same notice, that is again, and in this, in the notice of lost and found, no need to write any name of organization, and is there is even no organization name also. First word notice, after that date, after that found. Okay, in our previous time now, what we all were doing, we were just doing like this, he lost a bag. Okay, like we were just doing now, lost. So sorry for that, for inconvenience. Actually, what we were writing, lost, found. But nowadays, it is not a way. It is not the way is changed now. What you all have to write, like found, or you can write whatever you have found or whatever you have lost. You can just write the name of the item also. This is to inform all the readers that a plastic bag has been found in the neighborhood park. That I found a plastic bag in my neighborhood park. It has a few documents and some cash in it. The plastic bag is red in color and is medium sized. It was found on February 27 at around 6 pm near the fountain in the park. The owner of the bag shall contact me on this number along with identity proof. thank you. Okay, and here are some value points also of the same notice that I had written here. You can just see suggested value points as per CBSE marking scheme. Heading like lost or found any other relevant title, what you can do, like if you found a bag, you can just make the title like this, you found a bag. If you lost a bag, you can just make the title lost a bag. What you lost? Plastic bag. What you found? Plastic bag with documents and cash. When? Date and approximate time. Where? Okay, description of bag. What is contact details? What who has find this one? Okay, my dear student, I think you all have get to know what I was teaching you. This was the second part of the notice, and we will come soon with the third part of the notice also. And my dear student, I'll share with you six type of notice at the end also. Okay, in the next day lecture, mean to say in the tomorrow's lecture, we will complete the six types of notice, that what are the six types of notice. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye, take care.